Welcome to this tutorial on how to check transaction history on Crypto.com. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of viewing your transaction history on the Crypto.com platform. First, you need to log in to your Crypto.com account. Go to the Crypto.com website or open the mobile app and enter your email address and password to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will also need to enter the code sent to your phone or authenticator app. Once you are logged in, click on the Accounts tab. This will take you to a page where you can view all of your accounts, including your crypto wallets and fiat accounts. From here, you can select the specific account you want to view the transaction history for. After selecting your account, click on the Transaction History tab. This will take you to a page where you can view all of your past transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and trades. You can use the filters at the top of the page to narrow down your transaction history by date, type, and status. You can also use the search bar to find a specific transaction by its ID or description. This can be useful if you are looking for a particular transaction and do not want to scroll through your entire transaction history. In addition to viewing your transaction history, you can also view the details of each transaction. Click on a transaction to view more information, such as the transaction ID, date, and amount. You can also view the blockchain confirmation details, including the block number and transaction hash. It is a good idea to regularly review your transaction history to ensure that all of your transactions are correct and to detect any suspicious activity. You should also keep an eye on your account balances and transaction history to stay on top of your crypto finances. In conclusion, checking your transaction history on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily view your transaction history and stay on top of your crypto finances. Remember to always keep your account information and transaction history private and secure to protect your assets.